In this video, we listed the 5 best metal detector on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Treasure Hunter Metal Detector. The Treasure Hunter GT300 metal detector, model GT300/GT200, is a battery-powered device designed for metalworking DIY projects. Originating from mainland China, this detector features an LCD screen for easy operation and comes in a sleek black and green color scheme. With its main materials being alloy and plastic, the GT300 model offers adjustable sensitivity to distinguish metals, making it a valuable tool for treasure hunting and metal detection activities. Powered by 2x9V alkaline batteries, this detector also includes a headphone jack for private listening and a shield iron feature for enhanced durability and performance. While lacking formal certification, the Treasure Hunter GT300 provides users with a reliable and efficient tool for various metal detection tasks. Number 2. MD4080 Waterproof Detector. The Treasure Hunter MD4080 metal detector is a battery-powered device designed for metalworking DIY projects, originating from mainland China. This detector features an adjustable stem for length customization, a shield for protection, and a headphone jack for private listening. With a gaddying grip and elbow support, users can comfortably carry and operate the detector while searching for various metal objects such as jewelry, coins, relics, and more. Constructed from alloy and plastic materials, the MD4080 model comes with a search coil diameter of 20 cm and an adjustable height range of 80 cm to 115 cm, weighing 804 g. This detector offers adjustable sensitivity and a shield little iron feature for enhanced performance. Powered by 9V alkaline batteries, 2 PCS not included, the Treasure Hunter MD4080 provides a reliable and efficient tool for metal detection tasks. Number 3. Pulse Pinpointer Metal Detector. The SKIG IP750 waterproof metal detector is a versatile and reliable tool designed for metalworking enthusiasts and treasure hunters. Originating from mainland China, this metal detector from the SKIG brand offers a range of features for accurate and efficient metal detection. With a fully waterproof design, submersible up to 100 feet underwater, this device is ideal for snorkeling and scuba diving adventures. The bright orange color adds visibility underwater, while the easy installation and operation make it user-friendly. The detector's vibration and LED light function help signal the location of metal targets, making it easier for users to locate various metals such as coins, gold, silver, iron, and aluminum. Equipped with a DSP chip for accurate metal identification, the IP750 detector features a 360-degree scanning capability and an IP68 waterproof probe, making it suitable for detecting treasures in various environments, including water, sand, mud, and grass. The long battery life of up to 24 hours, along with low battery alerts, ensures uninterrupted detecting sessions. The SKIG IP750 metal detector, with its IP68 waterproof rating, 360 degrees detecting wand, double ruler for depth measurement, bright flashlight, and easy one-button operation, is a valuable tool for both amateur and experienced treasure hunters. Number 4. MD910 Underground Metal Detector. The Tricore Power MD910 metal detector offers a versatile and user-friendly experience for metal detection enthusiasts. With 5 modes of operation including all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, and pinpoint, users can accurately search for their desired metals. The intuitive LCD control panel with a backlight display provides essential information such as detecting depth, discrimination, operating mode, and battery level, enhancing the exploration experience. Equipped with a 10-inch IP68 waterproof search coil, this metal detector allows underwater detecting and is suitable for various outdoor treasure hunting activities. The adjustable height and ergonomic design make it suitable for adults, kids, and teenagers alike. With 3 audio prompts and adjustable depth/sensitivity settings, users can customize their detecting experience. The MD910 metal detector from Tricor Power comes with a comprehensive package including the metal finder control unit, search coil, armrest, connect rod, and manual, ensuring a complete detecting setup. Number 5. TX630 Metal Detector. The Tricor Power TX630 metal detector is a versatile and reliable tool for metalworking enthusiasts. With a sleek design and advanced features, this battery-powered device from mainland China offers a user-friendly experience. The adjustable rod and 25 cm waterproof search coil make it suitable for various environments, including underwater exploration. The TX630 provides multiple indication modes through its LCD screen and sound indicator, allowing users to detect a range of targets such as gold, jewelry, relics, coins, and more. With a sensitivity that can detect a US coin at 12 to 15 inches and a frequency of 19.23 kHz, this metal detector offers precise control with LCD settings. Additional features like an earphone jack, volume adjustment, and sensitivity control enhance the overall detecting experience. The TX630 can detect a US 25-cent coin at 25 to 30 centimeters depth and offers a ground balance range from ferrite to saltwater. With a stretch length of 34.6 to 42.5 inches and a maximum detection depth of 1.5 meters, this metal detector is suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The DD waterproof search coil is interchangeable, further adding to the versatility and functionality of the Tricor Power TX630 metal detector.